What is up? For today's video, this is a day in my life. I'm going to get my hair done right now, and I also just picked up some lunch, so I thought it would be kind of cool to take you guys along with me on this casual day. I actually don't get my hair done very often. I think I touch up my roots like once a year, and I'm not even kidding. If you can tell right now, it's super, well, not super dark, but for me, it's pretty dark, and I actually think I want to cut it like right here-ish. So I'm feeling something a little different. We'll see what I do. Right now, I just picked up lunch. I got a bagel. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna eat this really fast, and then I'm gonna drive over to the place and we'll get my hair dyed. I just got out of the hair salon and I ended up cutting off 8 inches off of my hair, and I love it. My hair was so long before, but I needed a change, and sometimes it's good to like just do something different. The ends feel so soft, and I'm really happy. If you want to know what color I get and specifically what I ask for, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. This is pretty light. It works for me because I'm super pale, so I like it, and I'm really happy. So I just got to my house and I saw that there was a package, and I've been waiting for this for a few days. I'm so happy it's here. And perfect timing because now I can show you guys what I got. So I got the 5-minute journal. If you haven't heard of this journal, it's basically a journal. I think you do it for about 5 minutes in the morning and then 5 minutes at night. So for example, on this page, you're supposed to write 3 things you're grateful for, and then 3 things that would make today great, and then a daily affirmation. So like, I am blah blah blah. I just had to turn off the LED lights because there was like weird things happening to the lighting. What was I even saying? I've been wanting a journal like this for quite some time. When I can actually put like pen to paper, that's when I internalize things and I tend to let things inspire me more, and especially if I'm making goals for myself, those need to be written down for me. This is why I thought the journal would be a really good thing for me to start to do and really make it a goal every single day and night to just fill this out. I also love having like little morning and nighttime rituals for myself, whether that's doing my skincare. Now I can add this in to my nighttime routine and just make it a habit. It may not be your thing, but for me, I'm super excited to start the journal, and I think it's gonna help me a lot. I will also leave the 5-minute journal link down below for you guys if any of you want to get this. I just got off Amazon, so very easy to obtain, and I would highly recommend it. So far, first impression is really good. It's been a couple hours since I have filmed anything, really. I just made dinner, and then I have been sifting through like 2 hours of footage and just kind of getting that organized on my computer. I kind of like to edit at night just because I'm sitting in my bed and it's comfy. I will show you the setup. I just have this fluffy pillow as my desk, and then I am just editing on Final Cut. That's what I use to edit all my footage. So I think right now my sister and I are actually gonna try and stream Riverdale because it's back on. I'm actually obsessed with teen dramas, and I probably shouldn't be because they're really cheesy. Everybody always complains that they know what's coming next and that the show's like so obvious, but I can't get enough of them. Like, I'm always so shocked and so surprised at everything they throw at you. I also really liked the Amazon show, The Wilds. If you have not seen The Wilds, oh my goodness, you have to see it. It's so good. So I'm probably gonna go make a cup of tea or something right now before the show starts, and yeah.